You wondering now why I'm carrying the box too? Let's go to the video. Do not skip the video, you can share it with your friends. If we buy this product from a shop, sometimes the price will be too high. Some online products may not be available for spare. One advantage of Amazon is that you can buy any product from Amazon. Bosch makes all kinds of tools and machines. Bosch is the highest quality product manufacturing company in the world. Robert Bosch, also known as BOSCH GmbH, is a German multinational engineering and technology company headquartered in Gerlingen. The company was founded in 1886 in Stuttgart by Robert Bosch. Cordless drills work on rechargeable batteries, allowing the user to insert a battery pack and instantly have an operating drill without a power cable. A cordless drill is a versatile power tool, because as long as the battery is charged, the drill can be used anywhere without having to work near an electrical outlet. This charger gal 18V -40 fast charger. GBA 18V 2.0H36WH Li-ion battery. This is a machine with weight. BOSCH GSB 180 liters I. What we have in our hands is a type with a carbon brush. Didn't you see that the second battery works as a low battery? Let's try to work with this machine. According to our usage, this machine can be used for up to a day and a half without charging a single battery. This lithium-ion battery will charge in less than an hour. Leading companies such as Ryobi, Bosch, Makita, Hitachi, DeWalt and Milwaukee make cordless machines. Try to buy a machine from these companies. Spare parts are available. If there are people who not subscribe to this channel, subscribe immediately. Share the video with your friends. Our new video will be coming.